Today we will discuss the example RS, CS, G5, G4, G2, G3. G2 and G3, G4, this is H2. This is what? H2, H3, H1, G1. Okay. RS and CS. Now we need to calculate the transfer function for this diagram. Very simple. Now identification. First identification is that G4 and H2 is in feedback loop. G2 and G3 are in parallel combination. These are in parallel combination. Again G1 H1 is in feedback loop. ये G1 H1 क्या है? feedback में है. G4 H2 feedback में है. G5 और this whole is H3 is in feedback. G2 and G3 are in parallel. So we'll solve it. Okay. Simple solution. This G5 will remain as it is. This will be converted. I will convert this first step. That is simple block G4 divided by 1 plus G4 into H of 2. Clear? Then second, this G2 and G3 are in parallel because this summing point. Plus sign is a positive sign. G2 plus G3. So these are in parallel. This G2 plus G3. G2 plus G3. G2 plus G3 parallel combination. Okay. And again G1 H1 is in feedback loop. G1 H1 is in feedback loop. So G1 divided by 1 plus G1 H1. Here minus sign is there, therefore it is plus. Here minus sign is there, therefore it is plus, because in feedback we consider positive sign in denominator when it is negative. Okay. So G5 G4 upon 1 plus G4 H2. This is first eliminating feedback loop. This 2 in parallel, G2 plus G3, and this is again in feedback. So G1 upon 1 plus G1 H1. That we are using the formula directly and we are concluding it. Okay. Here then there is what? Again H3 in feedback. This H3 is as it is. We cannot solve it now, and this whole completed. Okay. Now this 3 G5 G4 G2 plus G3 G1 upon 1 plus G1 H1, these all are in series. So we have studied that when the blocks are in series it is multiplied. So there will be one simple block G5 bracket G4 upon 1 plus G4 H of 2 bracket close, then multiply G2 plus G3 bracket, then again it is same G1 upon 1 plus G1 H1. This is the bracket. Okay. Then this whole will be converted into one block. This is the block, and here it is summing point, and here it is again H3. Here it is the feedback loop is complete. Okay. So this G5 G4 G2 plus G3 G1, this whole are in a series multiplication. Therefore we are multiplying it. G5 multiplied by G4 multiplied by G2 plus G3 multiplied by G1. This is whole divided by 1 plus G4 H2 multiplied by 1 plus G1 H1. This is the one single block. Okay. Now this is G and this is H. This is G and this is H. So we will solve it. This solution is very important. See here how to solve it. This is G and this is H. So G is what? G5 bracket G4 1 plus G4 into H of 2 bracket close, G2 plus G3 bracket close, then G1 upon 1 plus G1 H1. Okay, bracket close. This is G. This G as it is I am writing. Okay, divided whole divided by okay, whole divided by 1 plus G, again same G5 G4 upon 1 plus G4 H of 2 bracket close, then G2 plus G3 bracket close, G4 upon 1 plus G1 H1 bracket close. Okay, G5 G4 G2 plus G3 G4. This is 1 plus G4 H2. This is 1 plus G1 H1. multiplied by what? H of 3, multiplied by H of 3. Okay, so this is the block. Now again we need to reduce it by taking the LCM. Okay, तो यहाँ पे we are taking the LCM. तो this 1 and this denominator part, that is numerator will be remain as it is. numerator में कोई change नहीं होता है, numerator as it is. Okay, G5 G4 1 plus G4 H of 2, this is G4, this is G2 plus G3 bracket close, then G1 upon 1 plus G1 H1. ठीक है, तो whole divided by this is cross multiply 1 plus G4 H2 1 plus G1 H1 G1 H1 will be multiplied. So here it will be 1 plus G4 1 plus G4 H2, this cross multiplication, and 1 plus G1 H1. ये देखो, ये जो है ना डिनोमिनेटर 1 plus G4 H2 और 1 plus G1 H1 में यहाँ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया हो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, प्लस दिस विल रिमेन एज इट इज G5 ब्रैकेट G4 अपॉन 1 plus G4 H of 2. क्लियर. देन ब्रैकेट में G2 plus G3 as it is. Then here it is again G4 upon 1 plus G1 H1 as it is, and here it is H of 3. Clear. Cross multiplication. And denominator में what will be there? denominator में 1 plus G4 H of 2 bracket 1 plus G1 H of n. This is the LCM. Denominator part 1 plus G4 H2 1 plus G1 H1. This will remain as it is. By doing cross multiplication we got this answer. Now this and this and this get cancel out. Okay, this and this and get cancel out. Finally what we get? We get what? Final G5 G4 G2 plus G3 bracket G1. So we will write down this G5 G4 bracket G2 plus G3 bracket G1. This is the numerator part, and the denominator part is what? Denominator is 1 plus G4 H of 2 bracket 1 plus G1 H1 plus G5 G4 upon 1 plus G4 H of 2 bracket G2 plus G3 bracket. Here it is G4 upon 1 plus G1 H1, and this is H of 3. Clear. So this way again I am revising it. Just see it how to solve the numerical. This is the given block. G5 G4 H2 G2 H3. ठीक है. Then this is G1 H1. So we will start with solving G5 as it is. G4 H2 are in feedback loop. So G4 upon 1 plus G4 H2. G2 and G3 are in parallel. G2 plus G3. G1 H1 G1 upon 1 plus G1 H1. This is again in feedback loop. H3 as it is. Okay. Then this will be multiplied. This 4 blocks will be multiplied. G5 G4 upon 1 plus G4 H2. G2 plus G3. G1 upon 1 plus G1 H1. This will be multiplied. This is H3. Okay. So this is G. Again this is G and this is H. So G whole as it is 1 plus G of H3. G is what? G5 G4 upon 1 plus G4 H2. G2 plus G3. G4 upon 1 plus G1 H1 into H3. Okay. Now taking the denominator part is what? 1 plus G4 H2 1 plus G1 H1. Now doing the cross multiplication, this will be multiplied here. So it will be 1 plus G4 H2 1 plus G1 H1. 1 plus G4 H2 is here. 1 plus G1 H1 is here. Plus G5 G4 1 plus G4 H2. This will as it is multiply by H3. Now this denominator part and this denominator part, 1 plus G1 H2 G4 H2 1 plus G1 H1 and 1 plus G4 H2 and 1 plus G1 H2 cancel out. Numerator is G5 G4 G2 plus G3 G1. Okay. and denominator will be 1 plus g4 h2 1 plus g1 h1 plus g5 g4 1 plus g4 h2 g2 plus g3 g4 upon 1 plus g1 h1 h3. So this is the final answer transfer function. This is the final transfer function. Okay.